they're done.
That's what they seem to be signaling they expect. This is going to be a very interesting discussion that's going to go in the markets. I agree with you that they are, among the G10 type central banks, developed nation central banks, they are definitely one of the first to say, okay, not only that they're pausing, but that not too long from now, pretty soon, third quarter is just around the corner, that's the autumn, we're getting to summer, that they expect to actually start cutting rates. So obviously they're very confident that red line that shows that inflation's at 6.7% in the first quarter of the year, still above the official cash rate, and even with a 25 basis point hike, for now anyway, it remains above that level. But I think we're going to get more information about what they see allowing inflation to fall, driving inflation down. And they have done 500 basis points of rate hikes since the end of 2021. So presumably that's part of what they're thinking. Yes, we've got an expansionary budget. Yes, we've got this big surge in migration. At the same time, inflation has peaked. And even with this added stimulus, so many rate hikes have begun to take hold and will take hold. But it seems like a pretty confident position to have taken.
It sounds like it, right? If they're already projecting cuts in 2024, Kathleen, do you think they used to talk about recession, right, in 2023? Is it likely that New Zealand can avoid that now?
Well, again, the argument has been, or I think the supposition is that with this extra big budget, and of course, that's going to be a lot of that is on the construction side, right? And rebuilding after the Gabrielle, right? All the wreckage on a big part of New Zealand, and that's going to play out over a long time. Maybe this is part of them allowing themselves not to have a recession. To say the economy is still growing, they've still got a pretty good labor market. There's some questions about housing prices actually finally appear to have peaked. But after you have people say, that economists say, central bankers say, rate hikes, you see the impact with a lag. And again, they did a lot of hiking in a relatively short period of time. So they are probably they do very comprehensive looks at all their indicators, wages, jobs, et cetera. And it's pretty clear that they think this one, again, is maybe enough.
Yeah.